Speaking of grey listing, Lyle, what is the Reserve Bank doing to make sure that we are not on that grey listing list?
So I just saw something last week or earlier this week around all the action steps that South Africa has taken, including the SARB, to address, the areas where we were found to be where we needed to take some remedial action, and I think those have largely been addressed. I think the approach which has the principle that has shaped how we think about regulating fintech is really to look at what is the activity that the fintech is performing, right? So, and to then think about the frameworks that are already in existence and bringing those activities or those business models within those frameworks. So, if you think about a framework that wants to take deposits from the public and they want to do that in a very innovative digital way, it's still deposit taking, right? Whether you do it through a physical store or whether you do it through a virtual platform, it's still deposit taking. And so you will be treated as a bank or, be expected to apply to be licensed as a bank. And the normal obligations would be placed on you around AML, KYC, reporting of suspicious transactions. And so similarly, whether you want to do something innovative in the payment space, whether you want to provide investment products to consumers, to the extent that those activities attract some kind of anti-money laundering or KYC obligation, they would still be placed on those fintech firms. And I think in that way, you mitigate this risk around potentially having firms operate outside of legal frameworks that speak to those FATF considerations.